Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgil Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your make money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a reoccurring or recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review.
YouTube Shorts hit 30 billion views every single day. TikTok has 1 billion active users. Instagram Reels has 500 million daily users and generates over $33 billion in short videos revenue. Facebook has 100 million hours of daily watch time by its users and generated $23 billion in 2022. But why am I telling you this? Why am I telling you something that you may already know? Well, my friend, it's because we have found a way to use artificial intelligence to exploit this massive market and make huge money. I mean, take a look at this. Just yesterday, we made a cool $500, doing absolutely nothing. I spent the entire day with my family, and still, I made $500 effortlessly. Want to know how? Easy. I created an app that instantly generates hundreds of faceless, goofy videos that go viral in minutes, all without me ever being on camera, editing any video, or even writing a video description, because all of that is done for me on autopilot with AI. And here is the best part. Every video is created following a specific formula that guarantees that all my videos go viral for 100% free. Yeah, without paying anything in ads. That's cool, but I don't do it for the fame. I mean, getting millions of views like this is good, but you know what's better? Converting those views into cold, hard cash, which happens also on autopilot. Yeah, you don't even need to sell anything. That's already done for you, my friend. Can you believe it? That's how powerful this app is. Hey, my name is Ariel Sanders, and on behalf of my team, I'm happy to introduce to you GoofyShorts AI, the world's first AI app that creates goofy videos that make us money like this. Here, let me show you how easy it is to get started with GoofyShorts AI Step 1. Log into GoofyShorts AI Powerful Dashboard. Dead easy to use. Step 2. Enter your keyword. That's all you need to do. GoofyShorts AI will do everything for you, all in autopilot. Step 3. Profit. Yep, that's it. Every time we create a new campaign, we wake up to money like this, and 0 upfront cost. It doesn't matter if you are just starting out or you are an experienced marketer. As long as you are aiming to make extra money online, GoofyShorts AI is for you. GoofyShorts AI works for affiliate marketers, CPA marketers, e-com store owners, book publishers, social media marketers, coaches, and mentors, and anyone looking to create a passive side income online. By now you might be wondering how much it costs, and I'm going to be honest with you. I can charge anything I want for it. I mean, it's making us a bit over $17,000 per month. So as long as I'm charging you less than that, you're still making a profit. The thing is, if I decided to charge you $5,000 or even $1,000 for it, many people who really need it won't be able to afford it. It's a huge commitment to pay thousands of dollars up front like that. And to be honest, I make enough money from using GoofyShorts AI myself, I don't need to charge you all of that. So for a limited time only, you will get full access to GoofyShorts AI for a small one-time fee, less than the price of a cup of coffee. However, that won't last long. I don't want to overload my servers and end up paying more and more fees, so I will have to limit the number of licenses I can offer. If you still see the buy button below, you're in luck. Go ahead and click on the button to get instant access. And with our 30 days money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose. Pick your copy now. And if for any reason you didn't think GoofyShorts AI was worth every penny, just send us an email and we will send you a refund instantly, no questions. We don't like to play games, so what you're waiting for, go ahead and pick up your copy now, and you will unlock bonuses worth over $2,486. What you're waiting for, click on the button below and I will see you inside.
Hi folks, I'm back. Just to remind you of my 4 bonuses. Find out how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources. Number 2, earn income on Fiverr. Number 3, earn recurring passive income. And number 4, invest 15 minutes a day and get up to $186. And don't forget to check out to earn 10 grand a month in the first link below.